Have you ever thought, what is light? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see this world. It is also a type of an electromagnetic wave. Earlier physicists thought light as a wave. Wave nature of light was established by famous Young's double slit experiment. When Young passed light from two adjacent slits, he got bright and dark spots on his screen. These spots were due to interference of light. Only waves, when superimposed each other, are known to show interference pattern. But why don't we see such patterns in our daily life? In our world, light comes from all the possible angles. Even if such pattern occurs, we are not able to see it due to tremendous amount of light energy present in our surroundings. According to Young's experiment, in case of light, for interference pattern to occur, what all we need is two adjacent slits having slit width comparable to wavelength of light and two coherent light waves. Waves having same frequency, wavelength and no phase difference are known to be coherent. When peaks or crests of waves superimpose each other, they are known to show constructive interference pattern. When bottom or troughs of waves superimpose each other, they are known to show destructive interference pattern. Similarly, in Young's experiment, bright spots occurred when waves superimposed constructively and dark spots occurred when waves superimposed destructively. And this led to establishment of wave theory of light. Later, photoelectric effect was discovered. In photoelectric effect, when a particular light falls on a particular metal surface, it results in ejection of electron from that surface. According to wave theory of light, with increase in frequency of radiation, there must be an increase in number of electrons ejected from that metal surface. But it was experimentally found that they remain constant. Later, Einstein assumed light as a ray of tiny particles called photons. He said, when a photon hits an electron, it results in ejection of that electron and destruction of that photon. There is always a minimum energy that a photon must transfer to an electron so as to result in its ejection. This minimum energy is known as work function of that electron. Suppose an electron is having larger amount of energy than the work function of an electron. In this case, the extra amount of energy is transferred as the kinetic energy of that electron. This led to establishment of particle theory of light. But what about those questions saying light is a wave? The thing is, light is both a particle and a wave. In some situations, it acts as a wave, and in some situations, it acts as a particle. And this is known as the wave-particle duality of light. Science is an ever-evolving subject. No one knows when something we know is being proved wrong by a scientist. I think that's why Einstein once said, imagination is more important than knowledge.